Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to record calls on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now first of all, open the dialer app. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on settings. Now from here, as you can see, we currently don't have the call recording feature on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now if you don't have the call recording feature in the dialer app, just go to your home screen and open the Play Store. Now from here, just search Cube ACR. Now from here, just download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Next. Now from here, just tap on Grant Permissions. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now from here, just tap on OK. Now from here, tap on Allow. From here, tap on Yes. And tap on While using the app. Now from here, tap on Grant Permissions. Now from here, just select Allow all the time. Now from here, go back and tap on X. Now from here, tap on Install Helper. Now from here, select Galaxy Store. Now from here, just search Cube ACR Helper. Now from here, just download this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download. Now once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Next. Now from here, just tap on Grant Permissions. Now from here, just give this app these permissions. Now from here, tap on Enable App Connector. Now from here, just tap on Installed Apps and tap on Cube ACR app. Now from here, just enable this option. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now once you have enabled this option, just go back. Now from here, tap on OK. Now just tap on Allow and tap on Open Cube ACR. Now from here, once you have set up the Cube ACR app, just tap on the three lines at the upper left corner on the display. Now from here, tap on Recording. Now from here, make sure you enable Auto Start Recording. Now once you enable this option and you receive a call, the call will automatically start recording in the Cube ACR app. Now let's record a call and check if the Cube ACR app will record this call. Now from here, let's check if the Cube ACR app will record this call. Now from here, just open the Cube ACR app. Now as you can see from here, you can access the recorded calls. Now as you can see, it recorded the call perfectly. And this is how you can enable call recording on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.